Hello, it's Teresa, Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're looking at a little shadow box craft that I just kind of come up with some stuff we have here in the teen department. The first thing I used, these are the spools that our 3D filament come on. And I seen these and I thought that might be a good idea to make something with. So I kind of got on Pinterest and looked at some things, some ideas, and then I just kind of used my imagination on this. So what I did was, of course, I took them like that. I put, if we want to show this side camera here. There. So I'm going to show you from here on how this works. So what I did was, on the outside of my spools, I took just some, and you can use whatever you want to. This is just what I used. Some of this, it's like just mesh stuff, like big roll of ribbon mesh, and I put that on the outside. And then I used just regular ribbon around just for some decoration. And then just some these buttons I just kind of glued on, just again for some decoration there. And I use a glue gun for all of that. And then on the inside, you see it's like a little reading nook. I just printed that picture off of the internet. And I cut it down to fit in there. And I just kind of, it's not glued in or anything like that, but it fits in this perfectly. I just done it with the, laid that cylinder down and cut that out so it does, so it lays in there. And then I used just some yarn, the thicker yarn for like a rug. And then I used felt, and I just kind of folded them together to make a couple of books like they were stacked in the floor there. And then the plant, the little plant there, I used one of these beads. It's got a bigger, kind of bigger beads. It's got the hole in it. And I used just some stuff we had back there to put some greenery in it, but you can use like any kind of fake flower stuff if you want, or you can put felt if you want to for your plant, if you want to do it this way. Now, again, this is all, just what I was looking at, so it's very, very individual, so yours would be too. And then I thought, well, it'd be good to have some light behind it, and so I'm going to turn this over real quick. I put the little fairy light things here, and I put it around the back and at the bottom, and I glued that on to the underside of this. So I glued it on. This one here, you can do that too if you use two of them, and you put that on the bottom too. And it's just the kind we've got in, but you can use either one or whichever kind you want to do. And so I done that, and I glued it there on the bottom because then I can just switch it on, and probably can't see it too good, but it's lit up. So you can set it up on the shelf, and it kind of lights up in the back. And then you see your little library nook in your shadow box. So that's how I made the shadow box.